No, 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 no.
Bang! Bang! Hello everybody, it's Howie TV and welcome back to the channel. I know I have been absent for a short period of time, but we're back with another banger of a video. So if you do go on to enjoy the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, this video is action packed, so make sure you watch till the end. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. You see that guy? He's like, I don't think he's to the left of tire. Hey, is this a guy right here behind the red car kind of? Can you cover me? You think I can get up to that wood building?
I think that's.
Alright, you want me to push up to that wood building?
Go ahead.
Are you? Alright, sorry bro, sorry.
You want to go? You can go.
I'm over. You want to push up to this right here?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? I think you should do straight ahead.
Moving back.
Oh wait, yeah, he's dead, he's dead. Oh yeah.
Alright.
There's another dude right there. Is he shooting at us? Yeah, I just got him. Alright. Lock him down, baby. Yo, we're bands on. Yeah, good copy. They're aware of my presence now. ID. Wait, you're what team? Okay, bands. We're good.
I was asking who was up here.
No, we're good. Hey, you're bands, right? All right.
Because nobody was communicating up here.
All right, I'm dropping down. I can't see anything. Oh yeah. Oh, yo, hospital. You see what I'm talking about? Yep. Is it a tight angle? You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh, it doesn't get much worse than that, does it? Bang, bang.
I'm gonna call that. I'm so scared.
I could have ruined your whole career, bud. The game mode is King of the Hill, and there's a massive force of enemies pushing towards the objective, and it is my job to eliminate them.
Yeah.
Dude. Hold up, we might be getting somewhere. Hey, just hold them off. Don't die on me, alright? Okay. I'm up. Temporarily. We'll see what happens. Here, alright, you want to take... Got one. Yo, they're pushing, big push, big push. Call it. Thank you. Unfortunately, the enemy overwhelmed me. However, I did buy our team enough time to win the game. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end of the video. It really does mean a lot. Let me tell you, more bangers are coming. They are in the works right now, so you guys just stay tuned in to Howie TV because we got some fire content coming your way. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.